I'm Julie M. Soriano, 44 years old, and I'm married to Oliver E. Soriano. Currently, he is in abroad, work abroad right now. I have one kid. His name is Leslie Soriano, 19 years old, and she is now a second year college student of nursing here in the Philippines. I have no experience in domestic helper, but I had 18 years experience in manufacturing industries here in the Philippines. My skill is cooking, but Chinese food I have no experience yet in cooking, but I want to learn how to cook Chinese food. My personality is shy type person, but I can do whatever responsibility that they give it to me. So my preferred job is taking care of kids or other work related to housing cleaning. That's all.